guys, it's Camille from Peter Glenn Ski and Sports. We're at Palisades Tahoe today. I've had the opportunity to rip these skis around, and I'd love to tell you guys what I think. These are the Blizzard skis, the Black Pearls. They are 88 underfoot, and I'll tell you, they were really fun and super playful. They have a rocker, camber rocker profile, and they have a carbon-infused sidewall. So it's going to give you a lot of energy in the ski. Typically, I ride something that's about 100 underfoot, but the 88 waist gave it a lot more agility. And it was really fun to ski. What's great about this is that it's not just a dumbed down version of a men's ski. It's designed specifically for women, and I had a blast skiing them. These are the Blizzard Black Pearl 88. I had a lot of fun skiing them. You can check them out in the store or check us out online at peterglenn.com.